What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and it's the flagship smartphone launch season right now, so it's a Techtober kind of. So the Xiaomi 14 Pro has also launched in China alongside with the iQOO 12 Pro. So the Xiaomi 12 Pro is indeed the major flagship smartphone from the Xiaomi in a long time, and we can expect this smartphone to be launching in India as well at a decent price enough. Considering the phone is priced at a price of 5,000 yuan in China, which converts approximately 56,800 in India. But we can expect this smartphone to be launching at around 65 to 70,000 rupees in India considering its specifications. Also, the Xiaomi 14 Pro Ultra will also be coming in the very soon near future. So let's take a look right now at the Xiaomi 12 Pro 14 Pro features. First of all, talking about the display, then it will be coming with a 6.7 inch of a 2K display, and it's made from TCL, and it also had a 12-bit display, a 120Hz of high refresh rate, and a 3000 nits of peak brightness, which is again crazy thing to have a 3000 nits of peak brightness on a smartphone. Also, this time around there is not Gorilla Glass. Instead of that, the phone is coming with the Xiaomi's own Longjing glass. I know it sounds a bit odd, but yeah, that's what the glass is called. But the processor of this smartphone is indeed the flagship one for the next year, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Now, apart from that, what you also be getting in this phone is the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for the faster data transfer speeds as well. And the phone will be running on Android 14 out of the box, and this time it's not a MIUI or MyUI in this phone. Instead of that, it has Hyper OS. The phone will be coming with a triple camera setup with a primary camera of 50 megapixel, and the secondary camera is ultra wide camera of 50 megapixel, and a third camera is also 50 megapixel of a telephoto camera. Now there is also a Leica branding on this camera, so you can expect a decent enough glass quality on the back of the phone. Now the front camera is of 32 megapixels and the battery capacity is 4880 mAh in this phone with a 120 watts of wired charging, and the charger will be included in the box. But wireless charging is also crazy enough for some of the flagship smartphone can't even provide this much of a wireless wired charging only, which is at 50 watts of wireless charging in this phone, and you can buy the charger separately. A USB 3.2 Gen 2 port is present in this phone with a Wi-Fi 7 and NFC present in the phone. Now the phone also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, and it also has the stereo speaker setup with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the phone weighs at around 223 grams, and the titanium phone is also coming with this phone, and the titanium which is at 230 grams. Now apart from that, one thing to also note about this phone is that the pricing which we talked earlier for 56,000 rupees 800, the price in China is for 12 plus 256GB variant. And you can also expect a Xiaomi 14 Pro also launching in the near future as well. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like this, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.